Today we're here in the medieval church of San Francesco in Deruta, where two restorers, Elena and Donatella, are working on restoration of a fresco by Domenico Alfani of Perugia, who frescoed here in 1520. Organic salts are used only. And let us remember that restoration nowadays is simply cleaning. Maybe 2 centuries ago, it would have been repainting. And down here is Elena working on the lower level of the fresco. And above her is Donatella. They've been working since July, and they're hoping that the restoration will be finished at the end of October. And there will be an inauguration here of the fresco restoration in the Franciscan Church of Deruta. At one time, the whole floor was maiolica tiles, representing episodes of the life of Francis of Assisi. Most of the frescoes are now gone. Now we're going into a side chapel, and before we do, we're watching them restore. And next to them is a bit of fresco to be restored someday. Probably not much more can be found. Shot with arrows. Who's the saint? San Sebastiano Martyr. When was he invoked? At outbreaks of the bubonic plague, along with San Rocco, French saint who administered to pilgrims on their way to Rome during the plague. Look at this chapel in here. All maiolica is the altar. Names in maiolica of those who died in the wars. Here, this is a war memorial here on the wall. Again, the maiolica altar. Stunning work of the angels. And here we have episodes of the life of Christ done by different ceramicists of Deruta. All exquisitely done. We see Christ's nativity here. And here we see the baby Jesus preaching, probably to the elders in the temple. Look at the crucifixion. Here we have the ascent to Golgotha. The scourging at the pillar. The resurrection. Ascension into heaven. Exquisite maiolica works. Here, behind the altar of a side chapel, in the church of San Francesco of Deruta.